Pizza! Say hey.
Pizza!
Pizza! You like it? All right, what's up, you guys? What's up, you guys? We are at the plant store. We're at the plant store, and we're gonna go look in here real quick. We're gonna give you guys a quick little brief tour, and then we're gonna head to the park. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, stay tuned for more. Say bye.
Bye!
Come on, Sting, this way. You ready? Ready? All right. You ready? Okay. Wait, babe. You see the one? Hey, come on. You gotta be good, though, okay? You gotta be good. Look at all they got, you guys. Say cheese. What? Cheese. 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 Look at what? It's a lavender tree, guys. Look. Ah, for $50. What? It's purple. It's a lavender tree, baby. Hold up, watch. You're gonna move up.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Sam.
These are $14.99.
Baby, there's a honey. Mommy, look. Look, Mom.
What, baby?
Strawberry.
You want purple? You want one?
Yeah, I want purple. Wait, is that a bee? I have to touch it.
Yeah, that is a bee.
Oh, it's one bee. Oh, there's two bees. Bye. Mommy. Yeah, you.
There we have.
Mommy.
Yes, baby. Some gray lavender cotton for $10. Yes, baby. You wanna go to the other side? You wanna go to the other side? Just don't. Tina's want to come over here, y'all. Oh, they have some orange peppers. Oh, so they moved all their veggie herbs and stuff over here. Ah, okay. So, $2.99. 4 pots, $6.99 each. We got some chocolate mints. Herbs, 4 pots, $6.99. I want to cheat so bad, but that would be a waste. That would be such a waste. We got some strawberries over here. Some choy. Yeah, some Great Lakes lettuce. I actually just planted some lettuce. Look, y'all. Ah, I love this. The Phoenix one.
I see that.
You see it? Okay. This is rosemary. They have a nice little water fountain over here. They also have tomato cages and stuff.
Mommy, I see that.
That's cute. Hold on tight. Hold on. Don't move.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
Oh, head back.
You can't move. You can't be careful.
I like to get what, Mom?
You want to get out?
It's cute.
Sit down. Be careful. Sit down.
What's that?
Wait, what color is it?
Oh, purple.
Purple?
Wait.
What?
Wait.
What?
Wait.
You see the white?
Yeah.
The white's cute. We're not going to get white, though.
We're
going to go on the inside. Sit down.
Purple.
Be careful with the flower.
It's purple.
I know it's purple, baby. Here,
It's pink.
You got to move your finger. We got to get famous by tomorrow. There you go. Record the flower. There you go.
Pink.
Make sure you can see it. You can't see it with your finger in the way.
Look, I wait. Oh. Cheese.
Can you see? You see the flowers? Are you recording the flowers? Let me see what you're... Say cheese. You want to get out? You got it? You got it? That's lavender. Can you say lavender? That's lavender. Good job, baby. Ah! Don't drop the plant. Slow down. Where you going? Come here. Stay with me. Give me your hand. Come here. You gotta wait. Go where?
Oh.
Hold up. Stay with me. Stay right here. Hold on, Stink. Here, hold our plant. Hold it. You got it? Be gentle. Trying to get famous by tomorrow. I think she'd like that one. Grandma might like that one. Put your foot down. Don't do that. These are plants. You gotta be gentle, okay? Okay. Bella Palm 58. Come on, sink this way. Uh-oh. It's okay. What plant do we get? Come here, baby. I want this. That's what I want. Hold the plant. So you just don't run off. Don't run off. Stay right there.
I see a bike right there.
You see a bike right there?
Oh.
Where would I even? Silver Farm? I wish I would have brought my thingies. Come here, baby. Wait, come here. God. Oh yeah.
Oh my God.
Y'all, these are sundews.
Look.
We're gonna get one. Yes, yes, yes.
Hello. Hello. Mommy, Daddy, Mom, look.
What? Oh snap. Wait, stay right there. Don't go nowhere. Stay right there, baby.
Sorry, Mommy.
It's okay. Just stay right there. I just want. It's basically eat it, but I know where I can get some more, so I'm probably not even gonna.
Look, Mom. Look. How did you?
You wanna put it? You wanna show the camera?
Yeah, the camera.
Show the camera.
Okay, cheese.
Say cheese.
Okay, now. Okay.
Oh, it is. Drop the puddle. Come here.
Is that not gonna? Ooh, I have fire under that. I like different. Different. Okay. Look at that tummy.
We already got pumpkin. Put it back.
That's pumpkin.
Yeah, we got pumpkin.
Is that pumpkin?
Yeah, put it back.
Is that pumpkin?
The house. Let's go.
Wait.
What do you mean wait? Come on. Give me your hand. Where you at? Come here. Phoenix. All right, you guys. Update. So we did get something. We got some lavender, you guys. Yes. I let Phoenix walk around and hold it. This is Lavandula primavera. Phoenix say hey.
Hey, I did the rest of the car.
Yeah, we are at the lake, you guys. I'm gonna get out and I'm gonna flip the camera around. I'm gonna show y'all. We're actually gonna be recording off the GoPro. I think I want to go on the trails and then we're gonna sit down and enjoy the water. But you guys stay tuned. We got a little mini like nature vibe going on, so y'all stay tuned. Okay, I know I won't trip. I knew my view was looking a little dirty. Little dirty. Say cheese. Cheese.
Sandcastle.
Sandcastle. Or Phoenix trying to build a sandcastle.
This isn't good.
What? Let me see.
Okay. Mommy, give me hi.
Say hey.
I can't get that. Look, I can't got it.
Y'all, I don't know why I didn't bring my shades, but it's like I said. And if you wonder why I got my feet out, it's simply because of grounding. If you don't know, having your feet in the dirt, sand, soil, whatever, will actually ground you. So you guys should do it, even if it's just like 5 minutes, 2 minutes out your day. You'll naturally start to feel better. And then it's definitely a plus that I'm soaking in some sun. What you doing by that water though? Look at Phoenix, y'all.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Mommy.
You sorry?
Yeah.
We literally get this whole little section to ourselves.
Let's go fish it.
Y'all see the tent. Whoever in that tent over there. Phoenix going fishing. It's a little area of it there. Ain't no fish over here, boy. Walk around a little bit.
I touched it. 1, 2, 3.
And this is our little area right here. I see, that's cute. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day just to soak in some sun and some. Be careful. But yeah, you guys are probably gonna sit here for maybe like 30 minutes. And then we'll probably go home and we'll tend to our garden and stuff and whatnot. Hey, come back. Say cheese. Yeah. But all right, you guys. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna let y'all go. Phoenix gonna play a little bit more. I'm gonna lay down, probably meditate for a little bit and everything. But bye, you guys. Say bye, Phoenix.
Bye, peace.
You're supposed to say bye, you guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more. Y'all, we were supposed to leave about 30 minutes ago and we're still here, so we're chilling with the geese. Phoenix, stop hitting the water. Phoenix is drenched in water. Thank God I bought an extra pair of clothes. And we're still chilling. I'm feeling pretty good though. I think I'm gonna feel pretty good when I leave, which is good. And then obviously I look gorgeous. My skin is glowing, so you know what I'm saying? My skin is glowing, so. But yeah, I just want to say I love you guys. Be great, you know? And I know that might seem, well, that might seem like you can't do that, you know? I mean, it's hard to do something you're already doing, but continue to be great, you guys. And I love you guys. Yeah. Now, goodbye.